That is right. I'm here to dig down YouTube shorts for more cringe. And yes, I decided for the series to look epic and edit it like Kako for 2.0. So let's dig down.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue.
Hey, watch this. I have Skibbity Riz. Like to use Skibbity Riz on Adam to ruin his day.
Scroll this video if you hate Jesus.
Please don't scroll in the name of Jesus.
Nobody likes Jesus.
That's not true. I love everyone. Comment your religion.
I've said it before. Nobody likes you.
Hey, stop this. My fans love Jesus.
That's a lie.
Like and subscribe if you love Jesus. And subscribe and dislike if you love Jesus.
You don't have Robux. Click the link in my bio.
Oh great, now you're promoting gambling.
Get out of here, you freak.
Now the rest of the content is so cringe that I'm literally about to
Roblox, but anything my hater draws I have to buy.
I want this video to get 0 likes because you have no fans.
Like the video to prove her wrong.
Now I also want this video to get 0 comments.
I know my real fans will comment.
I want you to get ratioed by the pinned comment of the video.
I am not getting ratioed today.
Stop the cap.
And finally, I want everyone watching to unsubscribe to this fucking loser.
Can you please subscribe instead?
I have lost completely all my brain cells.